Yeah, I'm Russell Davidson and I'm 87, and my doctor encouraged me to come to this class, or to the Dulles Centre I should say. It gives you motivation to get up and to come out, and you make some great friends. And so socially and physically it's just been most beneficial. To speak about it, to talk to the teachers, your likes of yourself, and tell them your problems. Well, there's the physical thing. There's the motivation to go and to enjoy movement. And then there's the social side of it, which I think is very important, because if you're in the house a lot on your own, you have a whole different perspective of life. But if you get out and meet other folk, you see what their problems are and you can compare them with yourself. But you can make friendships as well, which is what life is all about.